Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on your Tide bank account adds an extra layer of security to protect your financial information. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your Tide account. Access the Tide bank app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Once logged in, find the settings or security section in your account dashboard. This is where you can manage your security preferences. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. Look for the option labeled two-factor authentication or 2FA. Click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. You will typically have options such as SMS, email, or an authentication app. Select your preferred method for receiving the authentication code. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. Follow the prompts to verify your chosen method, then save your changes. You may need to enter a verification code sent to your selected method to complete the setup. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on your Tide bank account, enhancing your security. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure.